Hello and welcome to another update video about Ocean. Yeah, so on the Ocean chart, we have the situation that this is actually a chart that, so I personally don't like the chart itself. It offers quite poor probabilities. However, we did say before that there's a chance that this was a wave one, okay? This move down was only in 3 waves, so we can count that as an ABC structure in wave 2, and then we identified here a potential circle wave 1 rally and a wave 2 pullback. At the time, the price did hold support, and then we talked about in previous videos, we had here another potential 1-2 setup and another potential 1-2 setup that I actually haven't got on the chart, but the price reversed in our trend reversal area that was communicated before. However, in orange, because it's a chart with poor probabilities, it could also very well have broken to the downside. However, support did hold, which was needed to hold for trend continuation higher, and it broke above the descending trend line. I can't remember, I didn't rewatch my last video, but I think we talked about this red trend line as a key breakout point, and the price did break out, and now we are possibly, and that's at least what I'm leaning towards at the moment, until support levels break, because we see overall upside momentum in the crypto market again on a Saturday. That is just noteworthy, you know. That's what we need to pay attention to. This stuff that the market dynamics, at the moment at least, they seem to be changing. Honestly, if after a few days of consolidation, Thursday, Friday, on a Saturday, the market keeps going, that's good. That's really, really good. While Bitcoin is holding its position, which is also really good. I mean, things are getting interesting. So obviously now the idea is, okay, we are pushing higher. Needless to say that the October low needs to hold to keep the momentum alive. Ideally, I don't even want to see it break below the trend line again. That would be a failure. 26.6 cents is really the support that must hold, or we deal with invalidation. And if we're now really in a third wave, then we need to talk about potential targets for a third wave. So assuming the wave 1 is a leading diagonal, I did have the wave 1 high here before, which is still possible, but it doesn't really matter so much. But I decided to put it here. I just looked at the subwaves again. So if this is a 1, the move down was a 2, which was the August low, then I would like to see the price next get to 43.9 cents. That will not be enough for wave 3. Minimum would be 50 cents I would like to see for wave 3. Yeah, possibly all the way up. I mean, shouldn't say all the way up too, because they can extend higher if they want to. But my minimum that I would like to see is 50 cents. Ideally higher to get a strong wave 3. One more level to watch would be the 1.38 extension. And that's at 54.2 cents, okay? Then we should get a wave 4. Then we should get a wave 5, which might reach, depending on how high wave 3 goes, 61.7 to maybe even 76 cents. That would form circle wave 3. Then we get circle wave 4 in a bullish scenario. I mean, again, all of this provided that support levels hold, but this would be an ideal roadmap. And then we should get circle wave 5. Now, circle wave 5 will only complete another wave 1 of 3. Okay, I'm not showing that wave degree at the moment, but this would again just be a wave 1 of wave 3. So there's a larger degree third wave. When we talk about moon targets here, we want to be careful, honestly. We have to take it level by level with altcoins, but when we talk about that wave 3, I mean, we should be at $56. Very careful, be careful with that. That's not a target I emphasize here and not something I promote. I simply have it on the chart as a roadmap. If followed, then we should get there, you know. If you had you done this like a decade ago for Bitcoin, you would have, you know, received similar targets. The thing is, the difference to Bitcoin, that many altcoins actually do not survive a couple of cycles. So just be aware, we don't really want to focus on that target. We take it level by level, okay? We take it level by level. Very, very important. So yeah, you wanna focus on the next targets only with these altcoins, because they can always break, okay? They can always break. Doesn't make sense I talk about $56 and someone like, oh, okay, I take a mortgage on my house and buy Ocean, which would be the worst thing you can do, I guess. But that's up to you. But I'm not telling you to do it. Absolutely not. You don't do that with altcoins. Altcoins, it's all about watching the charts like a hawk. They can change from one instant to the other. If supports break, it's a warning. Okay, that's why I always give you the relevant support levels. So yeah, that's Interesting as well, now that this trend line broke, watch this one. There is something going on here, I think, when we get to this one, which is around basically just a little bit higher than where we are now, 38.2 cents. You know, if the price breaks above that level, then this would be further confirmation that we should get to the ideal wave 3 targets. So that's my update about Ocean. Did I say Agix? No, Ocean. That's my update about Ocean. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.